Welcome to my channel. Schick Hydro Silks are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Top 5 Schick Hydro Silk for Women. Number 1. Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Dermaplaning Tool, 3 count. Quick, easy touch. Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up is a versatile beauty tool that shapes eyebrows, removes fine hairs, and even smooths skin by gently exfoliating. Create beautiful brows includes a precision cover for precise eyebrow shaping. High-quality blades. Dermaplaning tool uniquely designed with fine microguards to help protect your skin from nicks and irritation. Anytime, anywhere. Slim, portable-sized travel razor lets you take it wherever you go, so you're always ready for a last-minute touch-up. Convenience. Hydro Silk Touch-Up tools can be recycled using our mail-back program. Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Exfoliating Dermaplaning Tool Pack includes 3 disposable razors plus 1 precision cover. Number 2. Schick Hydro Silk Perfect Finish Trimmer. Create your perfect look. Our multi-zone face and body shaver is uniquely designed for convenient and precise hair removal. All-in-one groomer. Unlike other electric shavers, this trimmer includes 1 handle, 5 attachments, a beauty bag, a cleaning brush, and a touch-up razor to meet all of your grooming and product care needs. Shape and trim eyebrows. Use the dual-sided trimmer for precise shaping and the brow comb to trim hair to the perfect length. Smooth away facial hair. Gently and quickly smooth away unwanted hair from the upper lip, chin, and face with the facial trimmer. Stay bikini ready. The bikini trimmer and comb attachments allow you to expertly shave your bikini area and unique zones in or out of the shower. Number 3. Schick Intuition Razors for Women Variety Pack. No need for shaving cream or shaving gel. Lather and shave in one easy step with the Schick Intuition Razor Pack. Moisturizing bar. Built-in moisturizing bar with natural and organic ingredients helps soften skin as you shave. Close, smooth shave. 4 blades and a pivoting head that hugs the contours of your body. Perfect for first-time shavers. Minimizes nicks and cuts. Easy storage. Stand-up cap for easy shower storage. Schick Intuition Variety Pack includes 1 Intuition Razor Handle, 1 Intuition Pure Nourishment Razor Refill, 1 Intuition Sensitive Care Razor Refill, 1 Intuition Lemon Berry Breeze Razor Refill, and 1 Intuition Advanced Moisture Razor Refill. Number 4. Schick Hydro Stubble Eraser Refills. Revolutionary technology. Unlike traditional facial razors, our stubble eraser allows you to comfortably shave up to 7 days of stubble with less tugging and pulling. Innovative design. This men's razor features our proprietary deep stubble comb that aligns hair with the leading blade so you can cut long hairs without uncomfortable pulling or irritation. Perfect your style. With a simple flip, our unique face razor transforms into a precision trimmer for edging and trimming hard-to-reach places. Dermatologist tested. These men's razors are designed with 3 layers of comfort coating on each blade to protect against irritation and 13 cushioning gel pools with green tea to comfort, soothe, and refresh skin. Easy to rinse. Honed and crafted in the USA, our easy-to-rinse razor blades allow for 25% more water flow to easily rinse out shaving debris and prevent clogging. Number 5. Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle Moisturizing Razor for Women. Hydrating razor and waterproof bikini trimmer in one for the ultimate convenience. Hypoallergenic moisturizing serum. Dermatologist tested and helps replenish skin's natural moisture for up to 2 hours after shaving. Care and cleaning. Rinse clean. 5 curve sensing blades with unique skin guards to smooth skin throughout every stroke, helping to reduce irritation while providing ultimate closeness. A built-in waterproof trimmer that can be used in or out of the shower for convenient bikini maintenance. Adjustable comb with 4 settings for a customized trim length and clean look and feel. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.